You know that feeling when you love a certain style, but you just can't seem to make it work for you? You've created the mood board, you've bought the clothing, but whenever you try to wear it, something just feels off. Don't worry, I'm here to tell you that there's a way to adapt any style to work for you. After helping hundreds of styling clients and personal brands, one of the biggest challenges I see is when your aesthetic doesn't match the natural shapes and lines of your body. Today, we're building a personalized capsule wardrobe that shows how mixing style opposites can actually elevate your style, if you know how to do it right. Maybe you're drawn to something soft and romantic with light and floaty fabrics. That will create contrast if your dominant features are elongated, strong, and dramatic. Or maybe you love angular, structured pieces, but your features are soft and curved. This kind of disconnect can make personal style really frustrating. The good news is, there's a hidden advantage to this juxtaposition. So let's look at a case study. This client wants to feel more feminine in her day-to-day outfits, and one of her aspirational style words is romantic. But every time she tried to wear romantic pieces, something just felt off. Once we completed her body type analysis, this disconnect became really clear. So let's take a look at this client's body type, color type, and core style words. Color type. Our color palette is true winter, cool and contrasted. Her base neutrals include black, navy, white, off-white, charcoal gray, and deep burgundy. Then we added cherry red, baby blue, denim, silver, and a touch of brown to bring vibrancy, depth, and a bit of natural texture. Body type. This client has the soft, dramatic body type, so her dominant features are vertical and curve. Like I said before, she's drawn to romantic styles, but she says they never feel quite right. Given that she's part of the dramatic family, this actually makes a lot of sense. Light, floaty fabrics, small-scale prints, or tight circular shapes create contrast with her strong and elongated natural lines. Instead, draping, fluid fabrics that have some weight, and bolder detailing would feel more at home on her. So let's see how we can translate her style words through the lens of the soft dramatic body type. Our style words are romantic, feminine, and natural. Based on her mood board, I expanded each of her style words into a style vocabulary, including tangible style elements that represent each word. Romantic includes lush or drapey fabrications, metallics, bias cut dresses or skirts, red or burgundy, and sweetheart necklines. Natural inspires earthy textures, ease, length, open necklines, and neutral colors. Feminine could include pearls, waist definition, movement, soft textures, and ladylike accessories. This client is a wedding planner who splits her time between Malta and Croatia. So our capsule needs to be elegant, adjustable to suit warm or cool temperatures, and practical for travel. So here are the pieces we chose for her romantic, natural, and feminine capsule wardrobe. Starting with tops, this cream wrap top is the perfect soft dramatic essential. The gentle draping, defined waist, and clean silhouette flatter her frame and make for an easy throw-on piece that still feels elevated. Ideal for lunch dates or meetings, it gives both comfort and polish. A gray half-sleeve cardigan is perfect for layering in Croatia's mild winters. The half-sleeve gives it a touch of extra femininity without being too girly. This striped peplum top captures the romantic essence she loves in a way that honors her lines. A gathered waist, deep V neckline, and light fabric that still has some structure and sharpness. The crisp stripe adds a touch of playfulness while maintaining sophistication. This charcoal top with cutout shoulder details adds subtle sensuality. The fitted shape honors her curves while the cutout detail emphasizes the shoulder line. A red button-up cardigan injects a bit of romantic color into the capsule. The cherry red flatters her true winter coloring while the classic silhouette keeps it versatile. It's cozy enough for home, yet refined for workwear or casual outings. This white V-neck top is a minimalist staple that adds femininity without feeling frilly. The ruched bust detail adds soft structure, aligning perfectly with her soft dramatic features. A white high-neck tank is a sleek essential for layering or wearing solo in Malta's warm climate. And finally, this striped shirt with ruching detail reinvents the classic button-up with soft dramatic tailoring. The asymmetric ruching adds visual interest while creating a defined waist. It's romantic yet powerful, perfect for creative meetings or date nights. For bottoms, these wide-leg cuff jeans add ease and balance to the capsule. The wide leg and full length highlight her long vertical line, while the cuff keeps the look natural and casual. These dark blue flared jeans are fitted through the hip and thigh, elongating her silhouette, while the flare adds that soft dramatic curve. The deeper wash also complements her true winter palette beautifully and dresses up nicely. This navy draped skirt brings a sensual softness that's still comfortable and practical. The asymmetric draping at the hip is figure flattering, and the tensile fabric will keep her cool in warmer climates. This is also part of a matching set, making it an easy and comfortable look that's still feminine and romantic. A pair of navy linen trousers offers relaxed sophistication. They're structured yet breathable, ideal for her lifestyle between warm climates. The straight, elongated line honors her proportions beautifully. This white maxi skirt is romantic, natural, and feminine all in one. The clean yoke at the waist creates structure, while the gathers add movement and subtle volume. A pair of light beige trousers are a refined essential for everyday wear. The wide leg and smooth drape feel effortlessly elegant, plus the earthy neutral tone adds a slightly lower contrast option to her arsenal. Finally, these black embroidered jeans are a versatile statement, bold and creative yet wearable. The tonal embroidery adds a romantic edge that complements her aesthetic without breaking the clean, elongated silhouette. Moving on to dresses, this black sculptural dress is gorgeous for the soft dramatic body type. The asymmetric drape and architectural details emphasize her structure and curve while adding intrigue and sensuality. Perfect for evening events or coordinating weddings. A navy satin dress is romantic yet elevated and versatile. The bias cut silhouette, subtle sheen, and soft drape all work beautifully with her lines, while the cool navy grounds the look in her true winter palette. Layer it up to make it wearable for every day. Finally, this red sweetheart dress is pure drama. The saturated cherry red screams romance, while the fitted, elongated cut flatters her curves and vertical line. A bold yet feminine piece that perfectly represents her romantic, dramatic balance. For outerwear, this black trench coat adds effortless drama to any look. The long, structured silhouette highlights her vertical line, while the belted waist can be used to define her curves. It's timeless and versatile, ideal for travel or transitional weather. This gray hourglass cardigan is a client favorite that just keeps finding its way into so many capsules. It brings a softer, cozier option for days at home, and it's thick enough to be worn as a jacket in transitional weather. The longer length and deep V-neck create gentle waist emphasis, keeping it flattering and feminine without losing its natural ease. And this blue tie waist blazer adds a fresh pop of color to her true winter palette. The belted design provides optional waist emphasis, perfect for client meetings or date night. Moving on to shoes, these silver-heeled sandals embody feminine and romantic with a bit of glam. The silver tone and delicate straps create a sense of lightness without being too dainty. These animal print sneakers are a fun, unexpected twist. They highlight her natural side and bring a warm pop of color to her palette. Next, a pair of burgundy-heeled sandals are an elegant yet wearable statement. The deep burgundy is a subtle statement that still passes as a neutral within her true winter palette. Finally, these burgundy knee-high boots are a showstopper for colder days or paired with skirts and dresses. For this capsule, we chose one bag, a woven tote that feels natural and completely appropriate for her life in Malta and Croatia. For accessories, these pearl drop earrings add just the right touch of softness and polish. The organic pearl shape feels romantic, natural, and feminine, while the cool silver hoop ties perfectly into her true winter palette. A burgundy scarf introduces a subtle pop of color that feels refined and feminine. The polka dot print nods to vintage romanticism without feeling overly delicate. Plus, a simple square scarf provides so many styling options. Worn as a headscarf, tied around the neck, on a bag, etc. This silver chain belt adds a creative, slightly edgy contrast to her soft romantic pieces. The bold chain is a way to define the waist and add visual weight to otherwise light or romantic looks. A great tool for adding drama. A pearl-adorned claw clip ties in her love of feminine detailing while being easy and wearable. Plus, the pearls are fairly large, so they don't feel too dainty. Next, cat-eye sunglasses complement her angular features and deliver instant sophistication. Plus, sunglasses are a must-have for her life in Malta and Croatia. Finally, this silver sculptural bangle feels glam yet natural. Its irregular form keeps it from feeling too on the nose. A few styling themes that developed from this capsule include sensual minimalism and structured romance, minimal shapes with romantic or feminine intrigue, a cutout shoulder, asymmetric drape, or deep V-neck. Clean lines and a bit of structure help to bring romantic elements into better alignment with the soft dramatic body type. High-low alchemy, pearls with denim, sneakers under skirts, chain belts over knits. Everyday pieces styled with an elevated flair. This is the key to taking casual looks to the next level. And natural luxe. Woven textures, fluid knits, and grounded neutrals give balance to bold metallics and tailored pieces. The final capsule includes 8 tops, 7 bottoms, 3 dresses, 3 outerwear pieces, 4 shoes, 1 bag, and 6 accessories, which can create at least 80 interchangeable outfits. This capsule works because every piece honors her body lines, color palette, and her lifestyle. That's the real secret to creative, wearable style. When you really understand your natural features, you can translate any aesthetic into a style that works for you. If you've ever struggled to wear your dream style, start with a body type and color analysis. It'll show you exactly how to translate your favorite looks through your own natural lines and coloring, so you can finally build a wardrobe that feels effortless, personal, and entirely your own.